Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Azure Monitor. Azure Monitor maximizes the availability and performance of your applications and services by delivering a comprehensive solution for collecting, analyzing, and acting on telemetry from your cloud and on-premises environments. It helps you understand how your applications are performing and proactively identifying issues affecting them and the resources they depend on. In this diagram you can see the data stores for metrics and logs, which are the two fundamental types of data used by Azure Monitor. On the left are the sources of monitoring data that populate these data stores. On the right are the different functions that Azure Monitor performs with this collected data, such as analysis, alerting, and streaming to external systems. A few examples of what you can do with Azure Monitor include: 1. Detect and diagnose issues across applications and dependencies with Application Insights. 2. Correlate infrastructure issues with Azure Monitor for VMs and Azure Monitor for containers. 3. Drill into your monitoring data with log analytics for troubleshooting and deep diagnostics. 4. Support operations at scale with smart alerts and automated actions. 5. Create visualizations with Azure dashboards and workbooks. All data collected by Azure Monitor fits into one of two fundamental types: metrics and logs. Metrics are numerical values that describe some aspect of a system at a particular point in time. They are lightweight and capable of supporting near real-time scenarios. Logs contain different kinds of data, organized into records, with different sets of properties for each type. Telemetry such as events and traces are stored as logs, in addition to performance data, so that it can all be combined for analysis. For many Azure resources, you'll see data collected by Azure Monitor right in their overview page in the Azure portal. Have a look at any virtual machine, for example, and you'll see several charts displaying performance metrics. You can view the charts interactively, or pin them to a dashboard to view them with other visualizations. Log data collected by Azure Monitor can be analyzed with queries to quickly retrieve, consolidate, and analyze collected data. You can create and test queries using log analytics in the Azure portal, and then either directly analyze the data using different tools, or save queries for use with visualizations or alert rules. Alerts and dashboards. Alerts in Azure Monitor proactively notify you of critical conditions and potentially attempt to take corrective action. Alert rules, based on metrics, provide near real-time alerting based on numeric values, while rules based on logs allow for complex logic across data from multiple sources. Azure dashboards allow you to combine different kinds of data, including both metrics and logs, into a single pane in the Azure portal. You can optionally share the dashboard with other Azure users. Elements throughout Azure Monitor can be added to an Azure dashboard, in addition to the output of any log query or metrics chart. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.